We just got in this 2012 Jayco Eagle 304 BHS, weighs 9,000 pounds and can sleep 10 people. It's got one of the coolest U-shaped dinettes I've ever seen. Let's go check it out. So this 2012 Jayco Eagle, like I said, weighs about 9,000 pounds. It has a single slide out double axles. It's actually a pretty unique little unit. We're gonna give it a full walkthrough here, starting on the outside, and we're actually gonna start on the electric tongue jack. You got that, you got a single battery, and then you got a nice cover for your propane tanks right there. It is kind of hard to get it back on with one hand. Let's see if we can manage it. We did pretty easily. So that's nice. Couple propane tanks back there, single battery. Got a full pass-through storage. It's gonna be bright on this side. Goes all the way over and you can see the strut, so your bed lifts up. You can access some of that storage from inside. Electric leveling jacks. They're not auto levelers, but they will go down by the push of a button. You have a long awning on this. It is an electric awning, and I got a phone call coming in. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. Had to handle something for the boss. Where were we? Probably talking about this here electric awning. So you do have an electric awning. It goes out a little bit further, probably another 6 inches or so, but I just didn't have the room to put it out. But it looks pretty good. It's almost full length, not full length because you have a big old compartment storage back there, but we will get to that. 3 fold-up steps for your entry. This does have the glacier package, so it has extra insulation on the flooring and the roof. This decal, for being in 2012, is in phenomenal condition. I don't see maybe a little issue there, but overall it looks fantastic. Potable water fill, area to mount a grill. Should have some 110s. Back of the fridge. Oh, we got some tires down here. What do we got on the sides? 225 75 R15, dated 01 of 22. So they're the first week of 2022. Just over about a year and a half old. A little bit over that. Little baby window up there for the rear bunk room that this thing has, which is pretty cool. So there is a 304 and a 314. This is kind of a hybrid between them. This is the BHS model. There's another BH model that has an outdoor kitchen here. The 314 actually has just storage. So it's kind of like a morphodite between both of those trailers. It's a little bit different, but I'll show you the floor plans once we head inside. Same electric jacks down below. No ladder on this guy. Looks like you could put like a bike rack back there. Decals on this side look pretty dang good too. This thing had to be kept in covered parking, just looking at the sidewalls of it. You got your furnace, city water connection, 30 amp power service, sewer tank flush, 6-gallon water heater, outdoor utility shower. And then we got a couple more tires under there. No compartments or anything. It's just all the slide out. The slide is massive. It's like 3 foot deep and it goes like half length of the coach. There's the other side of that pass-through storage. See it a little bit easier. Got a weight of 9,000 pounds, GVWR, cargo carrying capacity 1680. So what is that, 7320 dry? My math is correct. And that's pretty much the exterior. Let's go jump inside and see what that has to offer. So very standard front floor plan when it comes to the bedroom. Right when you walk into the right, you got your bedroom with the wardrobe left and right, some overhead storage. There is some storage under the bed too that we saw. And then a couple little side tables. I was wondering if there was any 110 receptacles down here. Oh, there they are. They're very cool. Inside of here, you do have a little TV that they did mount. I don't know why, but the previous owners were all about their true crime. But you do also have a couple pocket doors. Reveals a mirror behind there. This is one of those that can twist. If you didn't have a TV already mounted in here, you could use a living room TV and just twist it around. Let me show you how that works. Here's a quick shot of that galley area. We'll get to all that here in a second. TV, mystery. Pull that out and then you can twist this. Obviously I got the door shut so you can't do it right now. Let's put that back in. Well, you have an RCA 32-inch TV. There is some storage right above that. This is your main entertainment center. Some easy reading materials, little ghetto wiring as usual. Now you got your Jensen multimedia device right there, some remotes, some more wires, and then even more storage. Now, I forgot to mention, right when you walk into the right, you do have another storage that goes under the sink area. It's kind of dark. You're not going to see much, but it does go from under the sink area. Light controls, water pump, water heater electric, slide control, awning control, local TV antenna. So your slide out is this dinette and couch. It goes from that corner all the way down right past that dinette. That dinette is set up to be the full kind of dinette it wants to be. I'm going to show you everything that this dinette has to offer. It is super unique, but we'll get to it. Little cloth sofa inside of this slide. This is a weird folding mattress. You remove the cushions, you pull this over itself, and then you got a flat area for an air mattress. Some storage above. You got your standard shades throughout. Now this dang dinette. So what's cool about it, these little side cushions push in, they store. Actually, let me just show you. Remove that cushion, lift up the platform. You got storage down there. And these will literally slide in just like that. And then you can strap her on back here. Obviously the cushions would be stored inside, which is kind of nice. Now you also got another cool thing. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause and remove that table to show you what that is. I'll be right back. All right, so I put this dinette extension in. This one is still out. You can see all the little cushions under there aren't there anymore. That table is what you use to rest right there to make this a sleeping area. Use these two cushions. So when I was doing that, I removed that cushion 1, that cushion number 2, and I'm like, oh, well, this is kind of cool. It's got like a little bit of storage down there. Not only that, it moves. So you have so many possibilities with this dinette. You can keep it a standard little booth dinette. You can bring it out and, you know, use the full U shape, take out the ottoman, put dog crates. Who knows? There's so many possibilities, but I thought it was pretty dang cool. So let me get this all set back up and we'll continue this tour. So pretty darn cool on that dinette. All right, before I forget, let's look at the printout. Selling this bad boy for $23,000. Like I said, 9,000 pounds, 33 feet 5 inches, fresh 82, black 32, gray 32. So decent sized tanks. This is what I was talking about when it comes to the floor plan. So the 304 BHK, and this is a BHS, and then we got a 314 BDS. If you look at this outdoor storage, it says outdoor storage. This one says kitchen. It's literally a mix of both of them, but this one doesn't have that bunk slide. So a little bit different, a little bit weird, a little confusing. Classic RVs. I tried to highlight some of the options if you want to read through that. Not too many available options on the trailers for this. But yeah, all right, let's reset that camera. Ooh, that was pretty quick. And look at the kitchen. No other slides in this coach, so it's just a regular old kitchen. We do have a decent amount of storage up above. And then we got a microwave with a carousel. They put that on the spec sheet. Very funny. Light stovetop with an oven. And then probably should have kept that other door open because you'd be able to see that storage a lot easier. Got 4 drawers, decent size. And then last but not least is the fridge. North Cold 3-way fridge. Freezer up top. Fridge down below that. And then there is some decent storage down there. All right. So continuing on to the back, we got the rear bunk room and then the bathroom. We'll stop at the bathroom here. You can still open the bathroom door even when this dinette is extended. It doesn't hit it. Nice little porcelain toilet. And you got your medicine cabinet, which does have a little bit of storage back there. They did upgrade to a fantastic fan up top. Not a big fan of all the blue lighting, but hey, that's personal preference. Looks like one-piece fiberglass walls with the tub. I don't know who's fitting in there, but it's got a tub. We'll back out of here, close this. Additional wardrobe, mainly for the bunk people. I guess the front bedroom could probably use it too because they don't really have too much. Thermostat on this wall. And then that is like an access point for technicians. That's why it's screwed off. And then we got your bunk room. So top left, you got a bunk. This is all the outdoor storage. That's why it's not as massive. Top right, you got a bunk. This bunk will lift up. Below that, you got a bunk. So many bunks. 3 drawers. It's a little tight in here, but you got 3 of these drawers. And slowly flipping her over, you got another compartment right there. Oh, geez, that thing's massive. Oh, look, it's got little wardrobe things in there too. You got a ladder that will have some cubby behind it, but lift up, push in, get out of the way, and then more storage and a little piece of molding, it looks like. So pretty cool little bunk room. Still trying to figure out where this mirror goes, but we'll figure it out. And then there is a little vent in here for some airflow and some ducted AC, but no fan. And then your privacy screen is a thicker shower curtain there. So, yeah, you know, kids don't care about privacy. And there you go. That's kind of the walkthrough. Did we look at the front? I'm pretty sure we looked at the front bedroom. Yeah, we mentioned this TV. Oh, I didn't mention that. Another kind of skylight up here if you wanted to get some airflow, but you could hook that up and put a fantastic fan in. All right, let me get the slides in. That means I got to fix that dinette. Let me get the slides in. We'll check it all out while you're in travel mode. I will be right back. All right, so the slide in drastically changes the floor plan. It's only one slide, like I said, but it's 3 foot deep. If you want to get to the back area, I'd probably suggest removing that table, and then you're going to have to jump over. Looks like the bathroom is also affected. You're not going to be able to get in there. Fridge, still doable. Kitchen, doable. Right side of the bedroom, still doable over here. But that's about it. So there's your accessibility. Definitely lose some space, but still decently usable. All right, let's look outside. Now everything's going to be in minus the steps and the little handle right here. This side shouldn't look too much different minus the awning being in. And then this side with the slide out in. It's a little glary. Now if you have any questions on this here 2012 Jayco Eagle, go ahead and put a comment down below, or you can reach out to me via email or text. I'll put all that info on the screen right now. If you have any questions, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. Like I said, we're selling this bad boy for $23,000, $22,995. And I'm a sales guy here at Pedada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out. We can talk about this thing. Thank you so much for viewing. Hope you guys all have a great day, and hopefully you enjoyed.